This is a 1996 Mercedes-Benz heavy semi-trailer model truck, the Actros 1857, equipped with a 16-liter V8 diesel engine producing up to 570 horsepower, capable of hauling 30 tons of cargo, with an average fuel consumption of around 27 liters per 100 kilometers and a total vehicle weight of nearly 44 tons. Whether in driving experience or performance, it has always led its class, winning the European Best Semi-Trailer Truck title 5 consecutive times, and its original price reached 1.36 million RMB, while this manufacturer-authorized 1:18 scale global limited edition model costs around 5,000 RMB. The restoration master for this project is Mark Yasu from Belarus. The model had been abandoned in a warehouse corner for years, and Mark decided to restore it as a birthday gift for his 3-year-old son. After disassembly, the stress-relieving restoration process begins by using paint stripper to remove the old paint, creating an intense chemical reaction that is visually satisfying, followed by cleaning the surface with tools. After rust removal, the front grille is redesigned by drilling rows of small holes and installing mesh behind them to better match the original truck. Before painting, the entire body is polished smooth. Then Mark uses his favorite spray gun to apply a metallic peacock green topcoat over a gray-white primer, with sparkling particles visible due to added aluminum powder for a premium finish, followed by a clear coat to enhance gloss. Tires and interior parts are thoroughly cleaned. The front seats are remade using UV curing 3D printing technology that solidifies liquid resin layer by layer, like drawing an object with a flashlight, then painted and detailed, while adhesive and fine black fibers are used to create realistic carpeting on the driver's floor. Felt is laid on the sleeper bed behind the seat. Wipers are 3D printed and installed. A transparent PVC windshield is cut and edged with black lines. Decorative strips are masked, painted, and finished with clear coat. And the Mercedes logo is repainted and installed along with the sun visor and UV printed rear-view mirrors. Multiple mirrors are added to reduce blind spots, followed by accessories, letter decals showing load capacity and safety information, headlights, grille mesh, and a Belarus license plate, completing the cab. The chassis and wheels are cleaned and repainted, fitted with 6 40-inch tires and a spare, with functional steering and a replicated 1,000-liter fuel tank. The cab is assembled with the chassis. Engine details are redesigned using 3D technology to accurately recreate the 16-liter V8 diesel engine, painted in metallic silver with colored gearbox, pipes, wiring, and air brake lines for realism. The traction device is rebuilt and painted. The trailer box is primed and sprayed in milky white, installed after drying. Damaged parts are replaced, tail lights and decals are applied, and the Mercedes logo, bearing its brand philosophy, signifying trust, is added. Finally, the trailer and truck are bonded together with resin glue, completing the full restoration of this 1996 Mercedes semi-trailer model, and the before and after comparison is astonishing, making it hard to believe it is the same model, with every detail faithfully replicated. And as a playful note, the spacious trailer is perfect for hiding savings. Wishing everyone great success and prosperity.